What's up, everybody? I did a video that adds to the minor pentatonic to really bring your blues guitar solos to life. I kept that very sort of informational, so I didn't play through an entire 12 bar. So this is just a video of me going through two 12 bars and adding those licks in, you know, those notes that break out of the minor pentatonic and such. So if you see this video as a standalone, that's what it's for. The lesson is in the description or pinned to the first comment if you're on YouTube. And for everyone who saw the lesson, here is me playing through some of those examples. Now that 5 chord, so we get natural 7 and the 2. Do the same idea here. Now the 5, I'm going to do that lick that's down here.